So I've taken semester 9 paper 1 for converting to Excel format. So mostly papers will be in this format, and as you can see there are four sheets in this workbook. So first we have multiple choice, fill in the blanks, then match the following and true false. In multiple choice I just have to copy the first question. So serial number will be 1, 2, 3 according to your questions. Then paste the question here. Um, then I will copy each option and will paste in the option 1. Then similarly in the option 2, 3 and 4. Now coming to the answers. So the answer to this question is B, C and D. So option 2 is the B, so I will mark true, true, and option 4 is also true, and the last option which is not there is false by default. And then you can see here the feedback reference is also there, page number 346 to 47. So in the feedback column I will paste that feedback, and I will leave other feedbacks blank, option 1 feedback, 2 feedback and 3 feedback. So similarly I can paste all the multiple choice questions here. Now coming to the fill in the blanks pattern, uh, similar to multiple choice questions, you will paste the question here and write the serial number 1 2 3 4, and according to the number of blanks in a fill in the blank, you will give marks here. Suppose this question has one a blank, so you will give 1 mark. Some of the fill in the blanks have two blanks or blank columns also, so there we will give 2 or 3 marks depending on the blanks, and the rest of the things are similar to the multiple choice question. The general feedback will come here, and you can leave option 1 2 3 feedback as blank. In this there is no true false because there will be only one correct answer. So the options are option 1 is jud, and which is the correct answer. So I will just in the last column I will just mark option 1 as the correct answer. Now coming to the match the following. Here you can just copy one full question, and the serial number for us will always be 1 in the match the following because we have only one question. So we can delete this second, and we can give a question name as something like match the following. So this is totally optional, and the questions which we have copied will come here. So this is the extra cell and the answers. So for the first option which are we have upyog, so I will just copy upyog answer and write it next to which are, and not according to these columns. We have to write question and its answer in the same row. So the question name also should be same for all the options. Coming to true and false. Similar to multiple choice and fill in the blanks, we will have 1 2 3 4 serial numbers questions, and feedback will be this page number or anything you have feedback. Then feedback for true or false, you can just leave them blank, and the answer will be either true or false depending on the answer. So that was all about this sheet. And do not forget to rename this sheet to your semester and paper, like this is semester 9 and paper 1, so just take care of that.